Hello friends, this will be a review of a mega cool house, from the Dutch designer Caspar Schols, with an amazing retractable roof. Caspar Schols' Anna becomes one with its natural surroundings. Dutch designer Caspar Schols creates the Anna collection, a wooden cabin design with a sliding double shell that can open up and become part of its surroundings. Forming within two protective sliding skins, the temporary residence adapts to the weather, the mood, or the occasion and can merge with its environment when split apart, or seclude the interior when completely closed in the insulated wooden outer shell. The inner shell is made of double glazing suitable for the spring or autumn, shielding the structure from rainwater yet allowing plentiful sunlight through the space. The adjusting cabin produces minimal ecological disruption. Adaptable to every season and occasion, the adjusting framework is modularly developed, resulting in an on-site installation period of approximately 5 days and minimal ecological disruption. Due to its dry connections, the cabin can be disassembled and moved at any time without leaving a trace in nature, while all materials can be separated and repurposed. To ensure a low transportation footprint, 80% of Anna cabin's unique parts can be produced locally all over the world using a digital file. Caspar Schols' Anna Collection Movable Cabin Project aims to sell the first digitally manufactured, locally produced cabins. Health benefits of Anna cabin's sliding design. Apart from the visual interest and design innovation, the sliding layers of the cabin reconnect the users to nature and their bodies. Margriet Sitskorn, neuroscientist at Tilburg University, explains that the user's involvement in moving and opening up the foldable shell activates a strong cognitive response to the brain. The embodied cognition refers to the procedure of brain preparation to open up and connect to the natural environment through the cabin adjustment propelled by the user's body. The performance and use of muscle power result in the prevention of health issues, such as chronic stress. Consequently, the Anna collection does not offer an electronic opening version. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, there will be many more interesting things.